Hey, loyal viewers and subscribers, we're coming back at it for version 3 of
Take
3.
No, take 3 is when you.
No, this is the third time we've done this.
No, take 3 is when you like take it and it's a mess up. So you're redoing it and you're like,
alright,
take 3. This is your
third burping challenge.
Third burping challenge ever. Okay, so first we started this when we were 7th graders.
We'll put a link.
So we were probably like 13
We're gonna put a link
on our first channel. Then in the summer, you know, summertime vibes, reunited. We did it again. But now
she
we're
wasn't
here.
there.
No.
She's our third member. She's gonna add a little bit of spice to this sweet duo and
A little bit of
Zevia.
So in tradition, we thought we'd use what we first started out with. Zevia.
We're gonna use this, but this shit is ranch.
So let's just get started.
You already open it?
Wait,
Wait.
it's clear.
Yep. No artificial dyes.
Yeah, we explained all that in the past
Yeah,
videos.
if you want a full rundown, it's the best.
We made a good 4-minute intro. Sorry.
Okay, so this is what it looks
This
like.
is the intro. This is like the
Wait,
part that I
let me-
skipped through.
Let
when
me
I
do
watched
this so you
YouTube.
guys can just read the label.
Yeah, me too.
Pause it if you need to. So, moving on. Moving on.
We started?
How much?
Yeah. You just do it till you work.
I don't think I like this.
It's not bad.
I mean,
That was
it's
an
not
under-
cream soda, but it's cream soda. So.
Definitely tastes creamy. I don't know how they did that.
Non-GMO.
Yeah. All real, organic.
Pepper.
Let him out!
No, it wasn't good. Oh my, I'm wondering. This is so making me.
I know Carly's technique.
You're going to.
She holds them all in and has a big burp at that. She's already done.
No, I'm not.
I'm in the lead.
Yeah.
Every time.
Wait.
Oh.
I love my laugh.
Put it
You
in.
love
Do
it.
it. Oh, you should have done it in slow motion. Go back.
Oh.
You know what video I still
she's
have?
gonna win.
The one where you screenshotted a thing of mine.
I saw that too.
And
I
you're
love
like,
it.
Wait, what?
I'll show you in a little bit.
Haley.
Oh. Yeah, because at Menchie's, it's so pissing me off. At Menchie's at the Christmas party, she was like taking little sips of Mountain Dew, and she'd be like, "I've got a secret," and let it out, and it was literally like a 2-second one. And she'd be like, "What?" And I'm just like, "No, like I don't want to chug this Diet Coke right now because I don't want to have that much caffeine, but I could show you up in 2 seconds." Because I hate when like little like girly girls try to act like they like have a man's side,
Like
but
they
they don't.
don't.
Only girls with brothers have man's sides.
Very true.
Older
All of
brothers. Only older brothers.
That was like a fucking weirdness. It was about that time you
Oh, sure.
This is just like the first
started
one. You just
to-
do weird stuff. Well, I get down to business. Okay, moving on to the second because I finished that.
You gotta show what it is.
Oh man.
Does it work? Is it gonna work?
This is
Anything carbonated. Stuff just came out of his.
I'm switching.
I'm tasting Chipotle.
Ew, I'm tasting cream soda.
Are you done with this? I
No.
actually like this one a lot better.
She switched.
Feel how much she drank. She literally
Almost done.
I'm not good at chugging.
You must not drink.
Okay, we've got to show you guys the video I just made.
This actually isn't water, it's
Oh no!
Yeah, sparkling carbonated
I didn't
vodka.
put it on my story. I only sent it to Haley.
You should
Okay, gotta do it
Drink
again.
up.
That pissed me off so much.
Guess I'm in last.
Oh!
Hopefully it doesn't have caffeine. Oh yeah, it's caffeine free.
Can you set this over there?
Your mom.
Oh yeah, Mary knows that.
Hey.
Oh, look at the little zit right there
Hey,
developing.
Yes, I can.
This actually gives me more burps.
Which is like nothing.
You know what?
Oh gosh, there's. Oh my goodness.
That was kind of
Ew.
disgusting,
That was
actually.
good.
I hate burps. Turn it. Let me see.
My face.
So gross.
This is not that bad.
Yeah, the other flavors are bad. I
What are the
haven't
other
had
ones?
lemon, like orange and. Pinkies up. Show that to the camera.
Should I put that on my
But
story?
they saw it. Yeah. How did you do that? Carly, that is the wrong contest.
Okay, so right now we finished 2. And a little bit of this.
Ew, it's not that good.
You think?
It's about that time you slide through.
Oh, I know what I'll do. Instead of putting this, I'll just wait for this. When we're done with this.
I'm gonna take my butt out. See what it looks like. Oh my goodness. I have 4 bobby pins in my hair.
It's about that time you slide through.
When we put this up, we have to put like nice background music.
Yeah, like
Yeah, like calm, but
they're
like
not gonna be able to hear stuff.
I know calm, but like you can still hear us.
And then. Hey guys. Oh my god.
I don't think I've ever seen your hair like this. Look how it curls. Oh man.
Oh,
Are we
that feels
done?
good.
I think we're done.
No!
Yes,
I never got.